What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. We are in Mesa, Arizona at the newest listing. This one is just over 2,000 square feet, no HOA, single story, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with a pool in the backyard. One of my favorite listings this year, one of my favorite layouts, I should say. The vaulted ceilings throughout most of the house, very tall vaulted ceilings as well. You wouldn't think that these ceilings were this high looking at it from the street view, but just makes this place look a lot bigger, a lot more luxurious, I would say. We opened it up quite a bit, actually. If you guys remember, we had 2 walls that separated, a doorway right here. This was all closed off. This was all closed off. That area right here was all, I don't know, I'll post a picture so you guys can get an understanding. 2-car garage. This is the kitchen. We removed a lot of soffit in the kitchen, which raised us about, I think, 12 to 16 inches. Just makes this place look so much bigger. This white oak cabinet package was like $7 grand because there's so many freaking cabinets in this house. So a lot of money spent here, but it shows. It looks really good. Backsplash up to the ceiling. Large windows as well. It's like a 3-panel window right there. Pool, plaster was good, really good shape. Tile was good. Cool decking needed some work, so we did do all new cool decking. Obviously got some turf back there. It comes with a shed too, which is actually really cool. I think that shed has electricity. A little bonus, dining area. This is one cool light. I'm glad that we bought that. You have 2 little separate living areas over here and the fireplace back there. The 3 bedrooms, 1, 2, and 3. You have the guest bathroom over here. We did white oaks. This is one of the first houses where we kept the white oaks, or we ran the white oak cabinets in the bathrooms as well. We usually just leave the white shakers because it's more cost efficient, but we wanted to go higher end here. This one's priced at $590,000, so we did a lot of the higher end stuff for everything. You guys will see, I think it pays off. Like, look at how nice this looks. The white oaks, the gold finishes, the niche lighting in the shower, 2-tone shower, and it comes with the door as well directly to the backyard. Vaulted ceilings in this bedroom as well. It just makes this room feel super big. Large window right here once again, and then straight out into the pool. So I don't know. I think this one is priced decent for the size, for the feel, for no HOA, for the area. So we'll see if we get some buyers in here. Like I said, I literally listed it an hour ago, so we're gonna see what the traction is. It's only Wednesday right now. We usually get 90% of our showings Friday through Saturday. Why are you making faces? That's it. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I post on there way more often. All my information is down below. If you guys are looking for a listing agent out here in Arizona, you guys can email me. I love to work with you guys and get your house sold for top dollar. And I'll see you guys later.